Hi everyone, I am A. Jagdish Babu, working as Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department. Now we will be discussing the first experiment in Civil Engineering Drawing Laboratory, buildings, load-bearing wall, including doors and windows. Today we will be discussing about the first experiment, load-bearing wall, including doors and windows. Actually, what load-bearing wall is? We see the definition. Load-bearing wall is an active structural element of the building which bears weight of the slab above. So here the wall will bear the weight of the slab. That is the definition of load-bearing wall. Now we'll be seeing how to draw it. So before starting the experiment, we have to set the limits as well as units. So to set the units, we have command u n9, right? Type the command u, enter. Then you have to set here type as engineering, precision as 0 feet, 0.0 inch. Then units to scale inserted content as feet. Then click on OK. Here I have already set the units. Then you have to go to annotation bar, click on it, click on standard units, then click on dimension style, then click on dimension style, click on modify command. Here set the primary units as unit format engineering, then precision as 0 feet, 0.0 inch, then scale factor should be 1.0. Then after click on symbols and arrows tab. Here the arrows size should be 5 inch, right? Then text height should be 5 inch. Okay, then click on OK, set current, close it. Now we'll be starting the experiment. This is actually the diagram is. So we should start from the bottom. Now take the line command, L enter, specify first point, 4 feet. Make sure ortho should be on 4 feet. Now check whether the dimension is correct or not. Specify first point, specify second point. So here we can see clearly the line is 4 feet. Then after we should give offset here 1 feet 2 inch, right? Offset command 1 feet 2 inch, right? Click on it, then join these two lines, L enter, click on this, join this, L enter, click on this, join this, right? Now again next step is we had a line on 7 feet distance height, right? Now we'll be giving offset command 7 feet, click on this object, click on above, enter. Now join this, I'll enter. Okay. Now the next step is this one, right? This we should be drawing by taking the midpoint, L enter, take the midpoint, draw a dummy line. Then after
Here the width is 2 feet 6 inch. So I'll be dividing it by half. I'll be giving offset 1 feet 3 inch. Offset command 1 feet 3 inch. Offset on right side, offset to left side, right? Now see the height of this block, that is 1 feet 2 inch. Take offset command 1 feet 2 inch, right? Select this object and click here. Now delete these extra lines. Extra lines, to delete the extra lines, the command is tr double enter. Delete, delete this, delete this, right? Delete this dummy line. So we completed this step. Next, the next step, to draw the next step, take a dummy line in the midpoint, L enter, midpoint, take dummy line. Now here the width is 1 feet 9 inch. So divided by 2, that is 10.5 inch. Take offset command 10 feet, sorry 10.5 inch. Enter. Take this object, give offset 10.5 inch in at right side and left side, right? Then here in this step we have height of 1 feet 2 inch, right? So we'll be giving offset 1 feet 2 inch. Select this object, give offset. Now delete the extra lines. TR double enter. Delete these lines. Delete this middle line. Right. We have completed up to ground level. Now we'll be drawing above the ground level, right? Above the ground level, we have a block of 1 feet 3 inch. So now to draw this, we'll be taking the dummy line. From midpoint, draw a dummy line that should be height of 2 feet 6 inch. Escape, L enter, 2 feet 6 inch. Okay. Now here the width is 1 feet 3 inch. So divided by 2, it will be 8.5 inch. Okay, take offset command, select this object, sorry, give 8.5 inch distance, select this object, click on right side and left side. Take line command and close this, right? This is actually the foundation. To complete this footing, here the hatching we should give is sand, right? So now I'll be taking the hatch command, H enter or directly click on hatch. We'll be getting different types of hatches. I'll be filling it with sand at the bottom of the footing. Okay, sand. Click here and reduce the scale size. It should be 0.01 or reduce the scale. It should be, the scale should be 0.03. Okay. Then after, we have a layers of concrete. So delete these dummy lines. TR double enter. Delete these. Delete. Okay. Now we'll be giving concrete hatch. Click on hatch. Search for concrete hatch. This is concrete cut hatch. Take this point, click on this, click on this. Now the foundation is completed. Now we'll be drawing the wall of the house, right? Click on L, enter, take the midpoint and give 9 feet height, enter. Okay, so the thickness of wall is 10 inch. So make offset as 5 inch and give it on either side of the dummy line. Offset 5 inch. Click on right side, click on left side, right? Take L, enter, close these two and delete the dummy line. So here if you see, the width of the house is about 12 feet. So click on L, enter, take this point and give 12 feet width. Okay. Now select all these. So select this and give block command, BL, enter. So type this as footing. Okay. Now select this, give mirror command, specify the point here, midpoint, click on above. Array source object should be no, N, enter. Okay. So now draw the ground level, L, enter. Here the ground level is. Okay. And extend some more here in the right side. There will not be any specific length. L, enter, extend some more. Okay. L, enter, extend on this side too. So mention it as GL, ground level, G, L, mention here too. Okay, mention. So now it is the plinth level. We'll be giving, select this test, Control C, Control V. edit the test, type P, click on here, escape, then copy this test and paste here. It is plinth lever. Okay. So if you see here, we have a 1 inch thick, a 5 inch concrete layer is there. So it should be given, take offset, 5 inch, enter. Select this object, click on here and erase the dummy line, TR, double enter. Okay. Okay, escape. Now here we should give the concrete hatch, right? Click on this, click on concrete, pick the point. Now we have drawn the concrete lower slab, right? Now here take the midpoint as dummy line, L enter. Okay, L enter. Take the midpoint, give height as 9 feet, enter. Okay, take the wall thickness is 10 inch. Now we should give offset 5 inch on right side and left side, right? Now close these two, L enter. L enter, select this and close here. Now delete this dummy line, right? Now we'll be giving the wall hatch. Wall hatch is AS3 A30. Click on hatch. See here wall type ANSI 32 or 34. We'll be going with 32. Select here and change the scale factor, right? Give scale factor as 1. It will be okay. Select here, right? We have completed the wall hatch. Then after we have a slab of 10 inch, right? Here we had a projection of 5 inch. We'll be giving L enter. Click here 5 inch, enter. Then L enter. Click on this point, 5 inch, enter. Okay. Now we'll be selecting this top line. This top line, offset 10 inch. Okay. Click on here, click on here, click on here and join these two lines. L enter. Escape. Okay. Fill it with concrete hatch. Hatch. Select the option concrete. Pick the point here and change the scale factor as 0. So now the scale factor should be 0.04. Escape. Okay. We have drawn almost all the part. Then the remaining part is only the doors and windows, right? Here we should write the text as 1-inch thick marble. I'll be copying it and pasting it here. Make sure author should be off while pasting the text. Move somewhat. Okay, escape, right? This is ground level, this is plinth level, this is slab. Okay, now I'll be drawing the window. I'll be drawing the window outside and I'll be placing it in inside the house, right? I have a window of size 3 feet by 3 feet, right? L enter 3 feet, enter. Sorry, wait a minute. L enter. Mention the specific point, first point. Make sure ortho should be on. 3 feet, enter. Above 3 feet, enter. 3 feet, enter. And close it. Now, okay, zoom it. Give offset as 1 inch inside. 1 inch. Select this line and give offset 1 inch. Okay. Now delete these extra lines. Trim the TR double enter. Trim these lines. Trim these extra lines. Okay. Now select the midpoint. L enter midpoint. Draw a dummy line here. Okay. Then offset 1 inch on either side. 1 inch on either side. Okay. Delete this extra line. Okay. Now select all the components of the window. Then give block command. Window. Type window. Enter. Now select this. Control C, Control V. Okay. Paste it somewhere. Later we'll be adjusting it. Okay. Now I'll be drawing the door. So now the width of the door is 3 feet. Okay. So L enter. Mentioning the first point here. 3 feet. Enter. Okay. I have the height of 6 feet. 6 feet. Enter. Again 3 feet. Enter. Again closing this point. Okay. Now I'll be giving offset 3 inch. Select this one and give select this one. Okay, select this one. Now delete the extra lines, tr double enter. So now delete the extra lines, tr double enter. Delete this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay. Okay. Now give offset 6 inch. Select this line. Okay. Now
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.